Did you know that the average global lifespan has increased by more than 6 years between 2000 and 2019? That's right, people are living longer than ever before. This isn't just a triumph of modern medicine, but also a testament to the changing ways we live our lives. However, with this incredible leap comes a new set of challenges and responsibilities towards our health as we age. I am V, and welcome to the best health channel on YouTube, where we talk about everything related to your health and well-being. Today, we're tackling a topic close to many hearts: healthy aging. As we rack up more candles on our birthday cakes, our focus shifts to not just adding years to our life, but life to our years. Why? Because aging gracefully isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling fantastic, staying active, and enjoying every moment to its fullest. As we navigate through the later chapters of life, our journey is met with its unique set of hurdles. These challenges, ranging from decreased mobility to cognitive decline, are not merely random misfortunes, but are often rooted in the natural aging process. For instance, our muscles and bones lose strength and density over time, leading to decreased mobility and increased risk of fractures. Similarly, our cognitive faculties might not remain as sharp as they once were, a reflection of the complex changes happening within our brain's structure and function. But it's not just the biological clock that's ticking. Lifestyle factors play a crucial role in shaping our aging experience. A sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, and smoking can accelerate the decline, making us more susceptible to chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Moreover, the social fabric of our lives tends to change as we age. Retirement, the loss of social roles, and the passing of peers can lead to isolation and loneliness, significantly impacting our mental health and well-being. Understanding the root causes of these age-related challenges is crucial. It helps us not only anticipate and mitigate the effects of aging, but also empowers us to take proactive steps towards a healthier, more fulfilling older age. Now the question is, how do we age gracefully? What are the things we can do to prevent looking 80 when we are in our 60s? Actually, there are many things you can do, ranging from lifestyle changes, the food you eat, exercises, your skincare routine. Before we go on to the tips, let's talk about one important factor that contributes to early aging: stress. I don't know if you have heard this, but people exposed to chronic stress age rapidly. The telomeres in their cells of all types shorten faster. Inflammation is another important feature of stress that, along with aging, accounts for the phenomenon of inflammaging. In this age that we are at, there are many things we stress about, and most times we even stress without lifting a finger. Mental stress can be worse than physical stress when we overthink, overworry, which might lead to anxiety and depression. From my personal experience, we can worry all we want, overthink all we might. Whatever is going to happen will happen. But sometimes, or rather most times, we can change our reality. Instead of overthinking and always expecting the worst reality of life, you can take control of your mind and think about the most positive outcome. We are or we become what we think about. That being said, let's move on to dietary tips to look and feel younger and healthier. Diet tips to look young and healthy. Antioxidant-rich foods. Consume plenty of fruits and vegetables like blueberries, spinach, and beets. Antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and slowing the aging process. For instance, a smoothie with spinach, blueberry, and banana can be a delicious, antioxidant-packed start to your day. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, nuts, and seeds. These fats are essential for maintaining the health of cell membranes, promoting a youthful skin appearance. A simple example is adding flax seeds to your cereal or enjoying grilled salmon for dinner. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for keeping your skin hydrated and youthful. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can also eat water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelons. Carrying a water bottle and infusing water with fruits like lemon or berries can make hydration more enjoyable. Whole grains. Swap refined carbohydrates for whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These are rich in fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and keep your energy stable throughout the day. Start your morning with a bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts and fruits for a youthful boost. Protein-rich foods. Lean protein sources like chicken, tofu, and legumes are essential for muscle maintenance and repair. They also contain vital nutrients that support skin health. Try incorporating a variety of these proteins into your meals, such as a chickpea salad or grilled chicken with vegetables. Limit sugar intake. Excessive sugar can lead to inflammation and accelerate skin aging. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation, and enjoy fruits when you crave something sweet. Vitamin C. This vitamin is crucial for collagen production, keeping the skin firm and youthful. Oranges, strawberries, and red peppers are great sources. Adding bell peppers to your salads or snacking on strawberries can boost your vitamin C intake. Stay away from processed foods. These can be high in sugar and unhealthy fats, contributing to aging. Focus on fresh, whole foods for your meals. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can protect against environmental damage to the skin. Incorporating a cup or two into your daily routine can offer these protective benefits. Spices and herbs. Turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They can be added to meals and teas to support overall health and a youthful appearance. To conclude this, I don't know if you know this. Your body is the best doctor you have, but the problem is that most of us ignore it and destroy it. Your body has the power, or rather is built to repair itself. Just like everything in this world, it needs energy. Good energy to perform this task, and the best way to give your body this good energy is to eat healthy foods and get rid of substances that are damaging and weighing down on your body. That is why we will talk about lifestyle chances that you can make today to put your body in the best shape to take care of itself. Lifestyle tips to look young and healthy. Regular exercise, engaging in activities like brisk walking, cycling, or yoga can improve circulation, enhance flexibility, and reduce stress. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for repairing and regenerating skin cells. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night, establishing a regular sleep schedule. Stress management. Chronic stress can age the body prematurely. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling can help manage stress levels. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. These habits can accelerate aging, affecting your skin's appearance and overall health. Cutting back on alcohol and quitting smoking can have significant benefits. Protect your skin from the sun. Excessive UV exposure can lead to premature aging. Use sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Wear protective clothing and seek shade during peak sunlight hours. Skincare routine to look young and healthy. Gentle cleansing. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Cleansing twice daily can help maintain a clear, youthful complexion. Moisturize. A good moisturizer can hydrate and protect the skin. Look for products with hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Apply while the skin is still damp to lock in moisture. Exfoliate. Regular exfoliation removes dead skin cells, promoting cell turnover. This can be achieved with mild chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs. Limit exfoliation to 1-2 times a week to avoid irritation. Antioxidant serum. Products containing antioxidants like vitamin C can protect the skin from environmental damage and stimulate collagen production. Apply a serum daily under your sunscreen. Eye cream. The skin around the eyes is delicate and prone to aging. An eye cream can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Implementing these diet, lifestyle, and skincare tips can significantly contribute to a youthful and healthy appearance. Before we wrap up, is there any area you'd like to delve deeper into or any additional information you seek? To encapsulate our journey towards healthy aging, it's clear that the decisions we make every day have a profound impact on our well-being and appearance as we age. From the foods we choose to fuel our bodies to the ways we move, relax, and care for our skin, each aspect plays a pivotal role in maintaining vitality and youthfulness. Diet. Incorporating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and whole grains while staying hydrated and limiting processed foods and sugars supports our body's natural aging process. Lifestyle. Regular physical activity, sufficient sleep, stress management, and protective measures against harmful habits and sun exposure can dramatically enhance our quality of life and appearance. Skincare. A consistent skincare routine that includes gentle cleansing, moisturizing, exfoliating, and the use of antioxidant-rich products helps to preserve the skin's elasticity, brightness, and youthful glow. Remember, healthy aging is not about denying the passing of time, but embracing it with grace, making informed choices that enhance our lives at every stage. Now we turn the spotlight on you. Share your personal tips, stories, or questions about healthy aging in the comments below. What strategies have you found most effective? Let's create a community of support and inspiration as we all journey through the art of aging gracefully. And if you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you at every age.